How's it going? My name's Tucker from Temporary Automotive. This right here is a 2021 Jeep Wrangler Sahara 4xe that we just took in. It is a beautiful Jeep. So I'm just gonna do a walk around, show you all the sweet features on this, and just overall show it off. So let's hop right into it. Okay, starting out front, you got this nice front bumper with the fog lights up front as well. The cool thing about the Sahara is that it's gonna have some silver accents along the whole car, like right in between these grills. So you have the iconic 7-slot grill with some nice added features on the headlights as well. You're also gonna have some nice LED headlights and on those fog lights as well. And this is the Firecracker Red, one of my favorite colors on the Wrangler. It is a beautiful red color, gonna stand out from the crowd. Looks really, really nice in the sun. Okay, starting along the side now, these are gonna be some 20-inch wheels, some giant wheels on this. You're gonna be super well equipped. Obviously it's a Jeep, so it's gonna be 4-wheel drive. And with these, even though they are not the off-road tires like you might get on a Willys or a Rubicon, they're still gonna be able to handle pretty much anything the weather has to throw at us. Has these nice blacked out wheels as well. And really cool, I love the Sahara, mostly because it's kind of a good mix of functionality and luxury, kind of comfort, but you get these paint matched front fenders and the hardtop, and really cool that I'll show you a little more. This has the Sky One Touch top. All you do, press a button, it opens for you. In about like 10 seconds, you go from top on and you can have that top open. But this is going to be the 4xe, which is the hybrid version of the Wrangler. Again, I cannot talk highly enough about these. They're going to get some really amazing miles per gallon. And with the both combined gas and hybrid, you're gonna get around mid to high 30s. And you plug it in and it will take over. And then once you run out of that charge, the gas takes over. And the 4xe is gonna give it a much better, like smoother feel than maybe the gas version, because that battery is kind of has that low end weight, kind of creates a more centered feel with the 4xe. But you're gonna have, as well with the 4xe, you're gonna have the blue accents all along the decals and the badges. You get these wheel-to-wheel running boards, kind of help you step up into the car. Keyless remote entry to get inside. So the hybrid plug-in is right up there, and the gas is back here like a standard gas would be. Okay, and finishing off the exterior, we're gonna talk about the back. Obviously, your spare tire is back here. You just pop this open. Keyless remote entry to get back here as well, really cool. And then lift this up and you get access to your full trunk and storage area. You have, this is going to be the level 1 charger. This is going to take a level 1 and a level 2. Comes with the level 1 charger. And right here you have some of the added features for that. You have a bag actually as well. But you have a little more storage down here. They have a lot of little cool features, like some plugins right there. You really can't see it too much, but you have some spots to put the bolts for the hardtop so that you won't lose them at all. And this is also what I mean by a lot of very comfortable with the Sahara. You're gonna get leather seating all the way around in this. And the front seats, I'll talk a little bit more about them because the front is really cool. But back here, you know, you get your floor mats as well. You have some vents back here and speakers right above you. And with that one-piece hardtop, you still get the fold down. So back here as well, you kind of get that top down feel as well. Okay, finishing off with the interior, the front seat, you have these really nice leather seating with the Sahara stitching on the this front seat as well. These are going to be heated seats. You also get a heated steering wheel, leather steering wheel with the stitching. Again, a really nice feel. And I love these cars. I think they are one of the best Wranglers you can get, because you still get all the functionality, like I said, but it's just so comfortable, so sleek inside. You get all your buttons for the dashboard. You can change the speedometer, all that right here, but you also get some of the buttons to help connect like to the phone, to that Uconnect system, which I'll talk more about in a second. You also get some of the cruise control. You have all your climate control buttons right here, windows, all that right here as well. Obviously, you have your shifter. You also get the shifter to, you know, throw it in for high, for low, 2-wheel drive, all that right there down there. And you lastly get the center console, but coming to that Uconnect system. So that's pretty much going to have everything you need. It's going to have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, radio, Sirius XM, and all that right there. A bunch of the settings to, you know, switch between the drivetrain, all that as well. And lastly is the one touch top, quick button just right up here. Hit that. I'm not gonna do it right now because there's a bit of snow on top, but that's gonna be right there. And like I said, around 10 seconds and it will open up on its own. Hit that button one more time to close it, but super cool feature. And if you have any more questions that I have not already answered, or you want this beautiful Jeep, please feel free to reach out anytime, give us a call, or come on in, take it for a test drive, anything like that. So feel free at any point. We're located over in Milford, New Hampshire, right off Route 101.